Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuz by Reggie back with another video. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos. We are on our road, on our way to 20,000 subscribers. I'm trying to put together a nice little giveaway for 20,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Can y'all see me? Hopefully y'all can see me. Again, I'm trying to get all the angles right in this studio, man. I'm trying to get my lighting together and stuff. But as y'all can see through the thumbnail, you can see the title. Babyliss sent me a package out of their FXOne series, right? Of course, you know they got the Gold FXs, and then they have been doing the custom of the FX. They got the low pros, and their thing is still keeping the style of the clippers and trimmers that they have, but revamping them and trying to add stuff to them. So you know, of course, they had the regular FXs or the Gold FXs and stuff, and then they had the charging box where you have the 2 batteries. They come in a charging box and all that stuff. So the FXOne is an ecosystem where one battery will work on different tools. So that's what they sent me today. We're going to actually start with just the gold package, right? So we got the trimmer, we got the clipper, and this is the one thing that's new added to their brand of everything is the foil shaver. So we're gonna unbox this, and let's start with well, before we get into that, they also sent the low pros, the clippers, the low pro trimmers, they are the FXOne series, and then they also sent me a all black trimmer, which as y'all can see, they all come with a charging dock. So it's going to be interesting to see how this all operates and how it all works, right? So this is the shaver. We're going to unbox this first. I'm not going to go through all this right now, but we're going to open up a few things and see if there's anything different that's included. But we're going to start with the foil shaver because this is the one thing that's new, right? So includes the tool, battery, charging stand, or charging base, 1 battery system, FXOne. And as you can see, it shows you everything that you can charge with this 1 battery, right? Upgraded in-1 brushless motor, compact charging base, and that is one thing. All the charging docks, they look small, all right? Interchangeable battery, quick battery release, pivot and foil head, ergonomical metal housing, all right? And let's see what you get. You get 10,000 RPMs, 4 hours of runtime. Now, if it's let me see. Because the shaver says 4 hours of runtime, but the clipper says 2.5 hours of runtime. But since it's the same, if all of these can use the same battery, do each battery have a different charge time? And I know somebody gonna comment, no, why would it do that? It has this. I'm just reading the box. I'm just reading what it say. And I just got questions. Classmates, man, we learning together, right? So it got 4 hours of runtime, button to quick battery release, 4-stage LED battery ring indicator, pivot and forehead, offset double foil. So it is a double foil, tapered in with hidden hook. Let's just open it up. Let's just open it up and see what we got, right? Like I said, we're gonna start with this. Matter of fact, we're just gonna do this video of just the Gold series, right? All right, so this is the tool. We set that to the side. As far as charging base, that is a small charging base. Now, is it for? No, it's just for the battery. So that's why they all have the small charging bases. The tool don't fit in here. The battery fits in here. So we get the battery out of here. Ow. So this is the battery. So I'm guessing it got the arrows on it. So you put it in there, and that's in the charging dock. So you're charging the battery and not the machine, which is, I know you're charging a battery anyway, but so you see it got the arrow up front, arrow on here, place in. Of course, it needs some charge, so I'm guessing this here is the battery release. Yes. And then you just take out, so boom. All right. What's this on the back? Oh, this is just a lock feature. So okay. All right. It's cool. The foil head, and it is a double foil. All right. I wonder what that lock and unlock is, and I'm pretty sure if I read the manual, but that is the machine. But let's see what's included in here. Don't seem like it'll be a lot. It is just the foil shaver, charging cable, charging block. There is a regular USB, and then pamphlets and stuff. So like I said, not a lot in there. It is just the shaver though, so you get what you get. Let's move on to the clipper. Boom is the clipper. Same body style, same size and everything. Again, very, very tiny charging dock. Now, the thing with this is having interchangeable batteries. Because are you going to interchange the batteries while you're cutting? Excuse me. But it could, because if each one of these come with its own battery and its own charging dock, first of all, you're going to have a lot of charging docks if you got more than 2 on your station. But I guess while you're using one, so you can be charging one, have one in the trimmer and have one in the clipper, and then once one died, you get the one off the charger, and you know what I'm saying? But then you still run into the same thing of just having technically one product, one tool. But I mean, I get it. Then of course you do get the battery on the inside, but it is the same battery, so we're not even gonna. And this is where you'll get more accessories and things of that nature. So of course you got they come with their premium guards. I will be using them with that. I'm not a big fan of the premium guards. Charging block. Come with their screwdriver, clipper oil, and then of course the charging cable. But let's throw this battery. Let's throw this battery in this. Since you know, boom, same thing, same battery. Let's throw this battery again. And of course the battery is dying, so as far as sound and how it performs right now, this still got the same body lever. I mean the body style. Got FXOne here, still click lever. Come with their taper blade. Got the little wavy combination blade. Very quiet. Of course, boom. You want to turn that off, but you get the gist. So, this is what I'm gonna do next week. I am going to start with the gold FXs, the trimmers, and the clippers and stuff. We're not gonna go through and have this whole unboxing of this video, right? But I do want to understand, because each one of these have a different time of. Like the trimmer says it lasts for 3 hours. The clipper says it lasts for 2.5 hours. The shaver says 4 hours. And then the low pros just have long life on them. So it don't really have a time. But with it having one battery that operates, like, does each one of these batteries have the same battery life, or is each one of them different? Because each one that came, like each packaging says something different. So that's the only reason I'm asking. Because if the clipper battery, anyway, that's a whole nother thing. We'll get into it. But y'all let me know down below if y'all are looking to try this FXOne ecosystem. Because Of course, the Babyliss, the Gold FX's trimmers have been top tier, so I will definitely be putting them to the test, getting my blades right. I'm gonna use the clipper, I'm gonna use the shaver, I'm gonna try to put everything else up for the week and only use the Gold FX, the Gold series of the FXOne, and we're gonna go from there and see if it performs different. Let's see if it's having this one battery really changes anything. But we will be putting everything to use. Like I said, it does have the low pro. I like that color on there, that gold that they got on there. I mean gold, that gray that they got on there. So I will be setting these up and trying the FX series, and we'll see how it goes. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and I will be back with another tutorial, another unboxing, definitely really review of this. I want to see how this operates. I'm gonna put everything else up for the week, and I only want to use this. That's my goal. Peace.